Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will show how you can actually hide your product page from logged out user. That means only for logged in user will be able to show your product single page. In some situation when you develop a store, you may need to implement this feature. So let's see how we can achieve it. uh, Today I am going to work in this website. So here I have a shop page. From the shop page, if I click to the product, I can see the product as usual. So currently I am as a logged out user. So let's see how we can restrict this page. Only for the logged in user will be able to see this. Okay, so let's jump into the code. uh this is the root of my website, and I'm going to open my themes. I'm using 2022 theme, my theme function file. Here I'm going to write some code. So first of all, we will check is user logged in and trying to access the product single page. Then we'll implement a condition. So let's first write the function. I'm going to name it WP5 access product to member. We can call it member. It's a long name function, no problem. Okay. So here I have defined my function, and let's hook it. In this case, we will use a template redirect hook. This is the hook name, and let me copy the function name. Here we go, the function name. Okay. So I have defined my function, and also I have hooked it to template redirect action hook. Now let's check if user is logged in or not. For that, we will use a if condition, and WordPress has a function which is called is user logged in. So, is user logged in. Okay. So now if I put any code here, that will be execute only for the logged in user. But I'm going to put here some code, redirection code for a logged out user. So if I put a not sign here, so it will be just opposite of the condition. That means currently the code inside this curly braces will be executed only when the user is logged out, and I'm going to put the redirection code here. So I have ensured the user is logged out, and we have to put another condition, which is this which is the user when will try to access the product page. And for that we can use the function is singular. Is singular, and my here will go the object post type name. My post type is product in this case. So this means when the user is logged out and the user is trying to see the single product page, then this code will be executed. So in the code area, let's first I can write, let's redirect user to the home page. When user will be logged out and will try to access the product page, they will be redirected to home page. For that, we can use the WP redirect function. Okay, WP redirect function. Here we can use the location actually. So in this case, we know what is the function which is called home URL, which will generate dynamically the home URL of your website. So I'm going to put this inside the function. Okay, and for WP redirect, when we'll use the WP redirect function, we have to use another method which is called exist, because WP redirect does not exit automatically. So let's put it exit function. Okay, now let's save this and try to access the product single page. Okay, when I reload, it's working. When I reload, it's not on the shop page, it's redirected to home page. So again, let's go to the shop page and try to access any page. You can see the it's not going to the shop product single page, it's redirected to my home page. Okay, now let's try after log in. If I try to log into the backend, if I try to log into the backend and then try again, let's visit front end of my website and go to the shop page. If I click here, yeah, I can see the page now. Okay, it's working. Now let's talk about some thing optimization, regarding optimization into the code. We here used WP redirect function. Actually, this function is not so good, because we have another function which is called WP safe redirect. Okay, so here we can inside this parentheses we can pass the location. So now if we put the home URL here, let me explain the difference between these two function, why we should use the WP safe redirect and why not the WP redirect, and when actually we can use the WP redirect and when we should use the WP safe redirect. The WP redirect function is not validate the location. I mean, which location you put on the parentheses is not validated by this function. So it's a little bit risky. On the other hand, the WP safe redirect function actually validate the URL. So it ensure you are using the same URL from the same hosting. We are going to redirect our user onto the same page of our websites of our hosting. So we can use here WP safe redirect. But if in any case you need to redirect your user outside of your website, then you can use the WP redirect. Otherwise we can use WP safe redirect. Let's see it is working or not. So I'm going to save here and go to the front end. I am logged in now. So if I reload the show single product page, I can see this. But if I go to in incognito mode, so I can view as a logged out user, and I can actually access the shop page. Let's see again. Okay, it's redirected to the home page. I am redirecting here into the home page, but if you want, you can change any location here into the website. Let's see, if we want to redirect user to the my account page, then how we can achieve it. We know WordPress has a function called site URL. So, and inside this site URL function, you can put the page uh, slack actually. WooCommerce has a page, account, my account page, and its slack is my account. Let's see, is it redirecting or not. In if we use the WP safe redirect, we actually don't need the exit function. Okay, uh, I'm going to check from shop page, and if I try to visit the single product page, yeah, it's actually redirect to the my account page. So now user can log in from here. Okay, but again, need to talk about something, optimization about the code. Using my account page, using Slack like this is not safe, because anytime in your website backend, website page Slack can be changed. Let's see what will happen then. In your backend, we have a page list. This is the my account page. Let's see, we have changed our my account page Slack slightly. Okay, currently the my account page Slack is not my hyphen account, it's only account. Okay, and now if my account page Slack changed, then what will happen? So currently, okay, in my shop page, if I click here, so I am getting 404. Yeah, it's obviously it's okay. It should show the 404 because I am trying to access my hyphen account, but in my website it does not exist, it's account. So how we can solve this issue? We have to avoid using hard-coded Slack like this. We have to call the page URL dynamically. So what WooCommerce provides a function by which we can call the my account page, and that is called WC get page permalink. Permalink, and inside the parentheses, I'm going to put the name, this string, my account. Okay, so if I hit the save and check the front end and go to my shop page and try to banish, yeah, it's going through to the my account page. Okay, so if now I changed again my account page back to my hyphen account Slack, that means I have changed my Slack again, and let's see now it's working, still working or not. So I'm going to go to my shop page, logo page. Yeah, it's working. That's it. So currently the logged out user can logged out user will not be able to see, and you can redirect them whatever location you want to. So I'll put this code in the description section of the video. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and it will be useful for you. Thank you.